learn something new every single day. Let your curiosity light the way.
Let's create a comic together. First, choose a platform like Copilot to write the story and describe the characters and scenes. Next, go to Skyreels. You get more than 900 credits daily, which recharge every day, making it almost free. Click on Start Creating. Choose your comic style. Select the genre of the story at the top of the page. If you don't have the story text and only have an idea, type your thoughts here, and Skyreels will write the story for you. Since we already have a story from Copilot, paste it here, and click Next. The next step is creating characters. Characters are created automatically, but we can make some changes. Simply type the descriptions of the characters from Copilot here and hit Regenerate. In the History section, all previously created characters are displayed and you can choose from them. For example, the grandmother isn't really old, so we give her an approximate age and regenerate her. It turned out great. Now, for a character that's supposed to be a mythical creature in the forest, I regenerated it, and it looks good. And then click on Next. And whenever you want, it is possible to go back and edit or add characters. The next step is creating panels. Click on New Panel. Then click on Edit. Characters are added from here. Just choose any of them to add. There is a prompt where you can simply paste the scene description from Copilot. This button will extend and enhance your prompt to a better version. Let's first create from our own prompt that we got from Copilot without using the AI prompt enhancer. If it doesn't work well, we'll create it with the suggested prompt from Skyreels. The negative prompt option is a no-way list that tells the image generator what to skip over. Then we specify the dimensions and hit Generate. Let's try with the suggested AI-enhanced prompt. It's good, but we wanted a blank scene. So click on Regional Modification. Specify the region that you want to change. Then type in the prompt what change you want. Done. For the next panel, the character Lila is in the scene. So we choose her. You can also select Lila's position in the scene. See how easy it is? In this way, we create all the panels. Let's now prepare our comic strips. Drag the panels onto the page. You can arrange the panels with frames from the menu on the right, or manually crop and arrange them on the page. There is also a one-click layout option located at the bottom of the page on the left side, where AI will arrange the panels you select on the page. Next, let's provide dialogues. For dialogues, we'll again ask Copilot to provide us with the dialogues. Since we've already designed all the panels on the pages, only the dialogues are left. From the right side, add a speech bubble. Select the color and stroke. Paste the dialogue inside and design the font color and style the way you like. In this way, add the dialogues for the rest of the scenes. When finished, click on Publish and Download. There are two ways to download. One is a comic format. Choose a name and cover for it, and you're done. The other format is Webtoon, where all the scenes are on one page. Done. Let's see the result of our work. If you want to add voice to your channel, use VoiceOver and narrate it. And there you have it, your very own comic creation. Don't forget to share it with your friends and followers. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!